Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how you can change your banner or cover photo on your YouTube. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening the YouTube app, now you have to go to your profile, for which you have to tap on this icon that you can see in the bottom right corner right here. So after tapping on the icon here, you can see we are on the profile, and all you have to do in order to change your banner is tap on your name, which is on the top right here. And after tapping on your name here, you can see this will pop up, and all you have to do is tap on this pencil icon that you can see right here. And after tapping on the pencil icon here, you can see a camera icon on your banner option right here. Tap on your camera option and you can see there are two different options given to you. Take a photo or choose from your photo. So if you want to take a photo right now and upload it, you can tap on take a photo. I'm going to choose it from my photos, so I'm going to tap on choose from your photos. So after doing so, here you can see my gallery is now opened, and all you have to do is select the photo that you want to upload as a banner. I'm going to choose this photo. You can even adjust the photo, and when you're done adjusting it, tap on the save option right here. And you can see it is currently loading. And just like this, you have now successfully uploaded your banner or cover photo on YouTube. And that is it. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.